Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to today's vlog. For today's episode, I'm super excited because I'm going to share with you a one-of-one Air Force One custom that was built and designed to honor our frontliners here in the Philippines. Apart from that, I'll also be sharing with you a really kick-ass, affordable true wireless earphones that you can buy for under 1,200 pesos. If that interests you, let's go. By the way, just in case you guys haven't subscribed yet, now would be an excellent time to do so because we are giving away a Realme C3 smartphone. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, like our Facebook page, and then click the link in the description box for the rest of the mechanics for the giveaway. Good luck. I think it was 2 years back when I went to a thrift store, or Ukay-ukay as we call it here in the Philippines, to buy a second-hand Air Force One. And I got it for less than 1,000 pesos or $20, and it was in pretty bad shape. There was discoloration, the air unit wasn't as good, the laces were dirty AF, the insole was just worn out, the leather was in pretty bad condition. Now that Air Force One has been with me for the last few years and I've been wearing the heck out of it just because I bought it. I wanted to, make the most out of my purchase. And a couple of days ago, an artist by the name of Sky Rosales reached out and asked if I had the spare Air Force One because he wanted to customize it to be able to honor our medical frontliners here in the Philippines. Of course, those are our nurses and our doctors. So I sent over the Air Force One to him. He got it, he cleaned it, he repainted it, redesigned it, and sent it back to me. And for today's episode, I am super thrilled and excited and ecstatic to be able to show it to you guys. This is the Air Force One Frontliners designed by Filipino artist Sky Rosales. And it is just mind-blowingly awesome. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the sneaker. Guys, this used to be a beat-up, thrifted Air Force One. Now take a look at how gorgeous it is. First thing that I noticed was that he repainted the midsole. This used to be really bad condition, almost off-white and sale. It is now in pristine white. And in terms of the colorway, as you can see, he used the Philippine flag colors. You have white over here for the toe box, red over here, blue, and then yellow that runs along the laces, as well as the inside part of the sneaker. You have a print or an artwork on the lateral side of the shoe. You have what looks to be like a police officer, some sort of like army reserve. I'm not just too sure what this person is, but she is part of as well of the frontliner force. You have the Philippine sun with the 3 stars here, and on the other sneaker it's actually different. So if we take a closer look, this is mostly made out of medical frontliners from your doctors and nurses. And again, you have the doves, you have the sun. Nice added touch, by the way, is if you take a look at the back, the Nike Air logo, the one embroidered usually in white, is now in yellow on top of that red and that stripe over here at the bottom. Love the fact also that he painted the air along the midsole in red to give it some pop and to give it some contrast. If you take a look at the medial side, you have the swoosh, which he painted in yellow, which provides excellent contrast to the blue leather upper over here. Same with the other side of the shoe. And the laces, he changed it as well. Some sort of like leather laces instead of the usual laces that you get with Air Force Ones. And lastly, if you take a look at the Dubré, this used to be some sort of like metallic silver Dubré. He changed it out to gold Dubré. So you have AF1 82, really nice touch over here to make it a little bit more snazzy and like expensive. The laces, by the way, have a metal clip ending. So there you have metal tip ending over here. And yeah, it just looks amazing from any angle that you look at it. Really happy with how this turned out. Big shout out again, of course, to Sky Rosales for the amazing work that he did for this one. I will put the link down below to his Instagram account just in case you guys want to have your own custom work or you want to reach out to him to commission whatever it is that you want to do. Bro, I appreciate this. I appreciate you, and I love the work that you did with this Air Force One. This will definitely be the very first sneaker that I wear outside the house when the ECQ is lifted and we can start going out. It is just an amazing piece of work, and I'm super excited to put it on feet and to share it with everybody that I know. 2 thumbs up. So we'll set this sneaker aside, and I just want to share with you guys another amazing discovery that I have. So I was shopping on Lazada a couple of days ago, and I found this brand, which is Soundpeats, and this is the Soundpeats True Free Plus True Wireless Earphones. And the great thing about this one is that it sells for just 1,200 pesos. 1,200. And the sound quality that you get on this bad boy is next level. I find it to be better than the AirDots, and I find it to be better than the Hailu GT1. And in overall build and quality, it also looks much better than those two. So this is what, I hope that survived. This is what the Soundpeats True Free Plus looks like. So if you pop it open, you have the ear clips, or the earbuds rather, over here. So it is one of those in-ear designs. So you put it up your ear, inside your ear, and then you twist it downwards to get a secure lock and a secure build. So sound quality for this is on point. You really get excellent bass, decent mids, decent highs, something that is above average when it comes to this particular price point. Battery life is the only weakness. I think without the case, at fully charged, this one can go for around 3 hours. With the case, it's an additional 1.5 hours. So you can go up to anywhere from 4 to 5 hours with this particular setup. And apart from that, the only weakness I feel that it has is that there's no battery life indicator anywhere. They should have put that somewhere in the case, and maybe they should have switched this out for USB-C instead of micro USB. But hey, it's just 1,200, can't complain too much. If you guys want to buy one, this one is on sale at that price, 1,200, and you can actually buy it on Lazada. So I'll put a link down below. If you guys want new true wireless earphones that won't break the bank, this one definitely worth considering. I mean, this just looks really nice, right? I'm supposed to end the vlog already, but I just can't help but admire the work and the design. Oh man, really nice. Really fantastic work on this one. So again, Sky Rosales, bro, 2 thumbs up. Amazing job. Huge fan. Now you're probably thinking, hey, I saw a Cactus Jack box, and you were correct. So I actually have a new pair of Air Force Ones that arrived a couple of days back that I haven't gotten to unboxing yet. So if you guys want to see this one, if you want to see the on-feet review of this shoe, most of you probably already know what this is. I will be dropping the video of this one Sunday. I am uploading this particular video on a Saturday. So tomorrow's vlog, Sunday, you will be seeing this brand new Air Force One sneakers that I recently picked up, and I am adding to my current collection. And again, before we close everything out, let me just remind all of you, we are giving away the Realme C3 smartphone. If you haven't subscribed yet, now would be the best time to do so. I am planning on drawing the winner of this one on Wednesday. So that's just a couple of days away. So you have a few days to join. So if you haven't joined yet, sumali na kayo. Napakasimple lang ng mechanics. Subscribe kayo sa channel, like nyo Facebook page ko, follow nyo Instagram ko, tapos bumaba kayo sa description box, may link doon, i-click ninyo, panoodin nyo yung video, doon sasabihin ko saan kayo magko-comment. Clear? Clear? Good luck. And for a power-up words of wisdom for the day, the word is rest o pahinga. Resting is super important, especially if you are stressed, if you are anxious, if you are tired. The common sentiment right now, or the prevailing sentiment, is that you should be finding ways to be productive. You should be finding ways to make the most of your work from home time. But the reality is, guys, we are not on vacation. We are in the middle of a pandemic. And being in the middle of a pandemic means that we encounter different levels of stress, different levels of anxiety, and different levels of fear, because we are all made different. We all face adversity in a different way. Now, I just want to make this video to tell you that if you feel tired, that if you feel that you just want to shut down and rest a bit, you should do that. Sometimes the best way to heal the body, the best way to heal the mind, and the best way to heal the heart is to just slow down and rest. And when the time is right, and when you feel like it, and you feel that it's already time and you're well rested, and that your heart is a little bit wholer, and that your mind is sounder, then get up, go back to work, and grind like you've never grinded before. The most important thing is that we bounce back hard, but not at the expense of our health and our mind and our spirit. So rest up, recharge, and come back stronger than ever. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our very quick video for today. As usual, praying for all of you. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.